Hello, scrappers. Just got a call from the my hotel contact, and up here in Green Bay they're going to be building a new hotel on this property right here. And this building here has got to go. And they told me I could come in, take a look around, see what if there's anything in there I wanted to scrap out. And so this is kind of just like a preliminary first time in, and we're going to come back on another day and do a more precise job of it. But yeah, it's this is going to be be tore down in about 2 or 3 weeks. The police are going to use it for some SWAT team training, and then the fire department's going to come in and they're going to do some training, some fire training, and then it's going to be bulldozed. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. It's an awesome opportunity to be able to get this kind of scrap out of a place. Don't know if this is too dark for you to see what's all in here. It's just stuff that was left by the last people. And yeah, unbelievable. Lots of different goodies. Some soft blades. We got all kinds of, I guess those are empty boxes. Kind of a speaker. There's a bucket full of scrap right there. Some plumbing pieces. What do we got going on here? We got some boxes. We got some electrical stuff. We got a little bit of wire going on in here. Some BX. A bunch of pipe nipples of some sort. It look like some type of hangers for lights or something. And you know what they say? When opportunity arises, you take it, right? So I'll see how much I can get of this easy loose stuff as I can today, and then we're planning on coming back on like a Saturday and see if we can pull some copper wire out. Yeah, I'd like to get the main feeders, you know, from the service entrance to the electrical panel. And yeah, so I'm gonna look around here and see what I can find. Here's a TV. Need a TV? Bunch of boxes. They seem to be all empty. Yeah. All right. So this was just a little update. All right, scrappers, we're back at the scrap shack, or the scrap lair, whatever you want to call it. I got the car pretty loaded down, and I'm going to show you what we pulled out of the building up there. But first, I want to thank everybody who's subscribed in the last 30 days. We've almost doubled our subscribers, and I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on board riding shotgun with me, and hopefully you'll enjoy the channel and tell your friends. So yeah, let's take a look and see what it was we all got at the building down there. guess we'll start in the trunk here. We got that pretty packed up. I think what I'll do is I'll unload it off camera, or maybe maybe I'll just put this on my head and do it. And then a little in the back seat here. Some more stuff there. Some wire there. Explosion proof light down there. So yeah, let me get this camera on my head and we'll unload it. All right. Yeah, a big wheel. A big wheel. Don't know where we're gonna put it all. Don't know how long it'll take me to process all this stuff, but I don't know if we'll do that on camera for you or if you're interested in that. But yeah. Another box of goodies here. Yeah, that building is like really awesome, and there's a ton of stuff in there that I'd love to get my hands on, but I just don't have the equipment to really do it. You would have to have a high lift to get in there, and there's a bunch of high bay lights, you know, pretty much nice aluminum and with transformers in them. What do we got here? Some kind of a something. Satellite TV stuff, maybe. It's beautiful here. It's about 82 degrees. And this thing, I filled this after I put it in here, and it's like, I made it so heavy that this old man can't get it out of there. Look at that nice piece of aluminum, huh? I don't know if you can see that, if I'm getting it in the camera. Ugh. There we go. Oh boy, oh boy. Whew. Yeah, some pretty nice carbide bits. Send them into a sharpener. I bet you 80 tooth. It'd probably be a good blade if you sent it in to be sharpened. Oh boy. This box here, it looks like we got more electronics, miscellaneous, a laptop, and some type of a DVD player or something in the bottom here. Lots of cords and stuff. Bunch more steel and cords, and in this bucket, miscellaneous hardware. There's a bunch of scrap steel. Let's see what I picked up here for digging in the dumpsters. Her name's Seymour. Look at that, Seymour S. 300 Duralite. That's gonna make things a lot easier when it comes to getting stuff out of the dumpsters. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shiny aluminum there, huh? Can you see that? Awesome. Here's some more extruded. Alright. Yeah, I really didn't know how much time I was going to have in there, and I took some tools up there with me and didn't even really use them. But you know, like the Boy Scouts say, be prepared. So we were prepared. Found this in a fire pit that was outside the building there, and they must have thrown a little copper wire in there to get the pretty colors to show in the fire. So we'll put that in the old number 2 copper bucket here. What have we got here? We got things I see in here. I see pennies and cords and I don't know, lots of things. We got a ball. Must be a racquetball ball, huh? For playing racquetball. I haven't played that for years. An explosion-proof light. There's some more of these up there that I probably will get when I go back up there. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice of the hotel to let the fire department and the police SWAT teams use the building for training before they actually demolition it. And when it's done, it should be a nice addition to the area up there in Green Bay around Lambeau Field. So yeah, so that's what I got out of there in about an hour and a half. Trying to dig around in the dark. I just had a little tiny light on the top of my head, which you might have seen in the beginning of the video. So yeah, the next time we go back, there won't be any power in the building, so hopefully we'll be able to open up a couple of the big bay doors and get some daylight in there. So yeah, I don't know if you want to sit and watch me go through all this stuff, but I don't know if I should do that or not. I think maybe I'll just cut it off from here, and maybe after I get it all sorted, I'll check back in with you. All right, scrappers, we're back. I've been fiddling around here in the garage for about an hour, and one of the boxes was quite interesting. It had a lot of things in it that I didn't expect, but I didn't know they were in there. We actually found cash, silver and gold. That's right. We got these silver spoons, and I don't know if they're solid silver or what, because they don't have a marking that they're like 80 or 92.5% sterling silver. They have they don't say that, but they aren't magnetic, and yeah, none of them stick. And I don't know why somebody would have been saving them, other than the fact that they're silver, or at least they're silver plated, one of the two. Found all this cash, and even a coin here from the Bahamas. I think it's from the Bahamas. But yeah, there's another Bahama one, I think. And then I found this little bag with some gold in it. It's looks like some type of a earring piece and everything. So yeah, I'll take that to my jeweler guy and see what we got there. A little brass there, some more brass here. Found an aluminum triangle, power supply. Found some of these cool Bears Still Suck stickers. Found some tandem breakers, square D, 20 amperes. Yeah. Found this big hook. I'm gonna mount that up here and put my cord hoard. I can hang them all on there somewheres. Found these stainless steel straps of some sort. Found this little tool. It's got to be some kind of a tool, I think. Anybody know what this is? Let me know. I don't know if I should scrap or keep it, or at first I thought it was like for punching leather, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. Tell me in the comments below if you got an idea what that might be. It's not stainless. It sticks. The magnet sticks to it. So yeah, I don't know what it is. So yeah, we got through a little bit of the stuff, and still got more to go through. Box with this laptop. We'll probably find all kinds of goodies in the bottom of there. Maybe we'll find some more gold and silver. And yeah, we got a lot of just wires and stuff to clean up. So yeah, it's awesome. Well, I'm gonna scoop up this change and put it in something, and we'll see what we can do with it. What can I put it in? What can I put that change in? Come on. I gotta have something to put it in. You would think we'd have something to put it in. Well, I don't know. I do not know. How about if we put it in, what can I put that in? I don't want to put it in my pocket, but if we have to, I will. Need some little bags down here or something. Yeah, we'll try to just put it in my pocket. How's that? I bet you there's $5 or $10 worth of a change there. And yeah, I found a lantern, and it was I took that apart. It was actually brass, but it's got the solder on it, so it's gonna have to go into my dirty brass. So overall, I think we did really good at that old building. And yeah, I think I'll put this together in a video, and then maybe we can do a part 2 down the road, give you an update on what else I found in this pile of mess, and we'll go from there. So anyways, if you're still with me, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.